Today I'm going to be showing you another quick, simple, and profitable woodworking project you can make in under 15 minutes. But anyways, let's stop talking and let's start building. For this project, I'm just going to be using a little piece of black walnut. What a surprise. And we'll cut a piece of it at 7.5 inches. All right, now that we got that cut with a miter, we can go ahead and rip it down to 1.5 inches thick. And I'm just gonna cut it out with a bandsaw. But you can also use a table saw or a jigsaw. All right, now we're gonna flip it over on the side and we're gonna go up about to the middle of the thickness of it, make a mark there, and then pull up about 3/4 of an inch and go to about 3/4 of the width of it. And then on the bottom, pull up 1/2 inch and put a mark there. Then you can connect the 3 dots. That's what we're gonna cut out. And I'll probably end up ripping another 1/4 inch off the thickness. All right, now for the main shape, we can just grab a 1 inch or 1.5 inch cylinder and we're just gonna round over the top and then just slide it down a little bit and then round off on the bottom part. Then measure to the center, which will be 3/4 inch. Measure to it down here and then 1/4 inch on each side of the 3/4 inch mark. And now you can connect those marks. And then finally, we can go cut this out. Now with either the orbital or a belt sander, we can round over the edges. If you go to the underside of your belt sander, you should see a flappy part. And you can use that to get up in the tight to reach places. We'll give it a massage by hand with some 150 grit. While I'm sanding this, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and right down there, comment the word walnut so we can beat this algorithm. And we'll also do some 600 grit. Once we get it buttery smooth, we can go ahead and apply some finish. Before I show you the finished product, if you want to purchase one of these, hit the link in the description down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, go to my woodworking playlist. I'll put that right here on the screen. Again, thanks for watching and God bless.